Hi, hello, and welcome to Atufa Kushnu Diaries. Today I'm going to share a face pack with you which I made using some organic products which I purchased from Amazon. They are the Indus Valley Bio Organic Beauty Kit. You get this in singles as well as in a pack of 4. I'll share the link with you so that you can buy it as well. I'm going to share 7 face packs with you for 7 days a week. So this face pack is for Tuesday, and for this face pack I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of orange peel powder, half teaspoon of Mulethi powder, and then add some rose water, 1 teaspoon of rose water. I got this rose water from Kashmir. They say this is 100% pure. It can be used for skin as well as for cooking. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of pure rose water for this face pack, as well as we are going to now add half teaspoon of wood charcoal powder. This is optional for Tuesday face pack. If you want, you can skip it for Tuesdays. However, I'm using it since I've missed my face pack for yesterday. And then I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of yogurt or curd, whatever you call it, and 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Fresh aloe vera gel I'm using. I have a aloe vera plant at home, so I normally use a freshly cut aloe vera leaf for any application. So you can do the same, or you can buy a ready-made gel if you are comfortable with that. But the thing is that you should mix it well, because ये क्या होता है कि ये pieces में, it comes out in pieces. So you can do one thing: you can take one leaf and then you can use a grinder to make a creamy texture out of it, and then you can store it for a few days. Now after adding the aloe vera gel, we have to mix it well and we have to apply it evenly on our face, and follow my 7 days skincare routine for at least a month and you will see great results. For the remaining face packs, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching Atufa Kushnu Diaries.